Let the students start flowing in so that they will not miss any concept. Some warm-up questions. First question. X square plus 79 square, original bank exam question, equivalent to 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. These I took it from the original bank exam questions. X is nothing but how much? Options 86, 89, 83 and 93. 86, 89, 83 and 93. One is a traditional method. How students solve is, they will find out the squares, they will subtract. Solution. The best way to solve this problem is by using unit digit logic. This is an original competitive exam question. X square is X, 9 square is 1, 2 square only play with the unit digit, 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64 and 8203 is 3. So X plus 1 equivalent to 4 minus 1 10, 0 0 from 0 3 carried, so take a carry 1, so it will become 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, so X will become 6. X is the unit digit of a number, so answer is 86. 10 seconds approach to solve the problem. 10 seconds approach to solve the problem. X square is X, second time repetition, 9 square is 81, 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64, 8203 unit digit is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. From 0, 3 is being subtracted. From 0, 3 cannot be subtracted. So I will take a carry 1 from tens place. The value will become 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. X plus 1 is 7. So X value will be 6. So unit digit of the given value is 6. Only one option. This is an original bank exam level question. The root cause to solve the problem is play by using unit digit. I hope the logic is clear. Play by using unit digit. First question, 4 problems, warm-up questions. Slowly we will get into surds and indices. I hope the idea is clear. First problem. Second one, think without ink. How to solve question just by looking at the answer option. The best thing is think without ink uses our mind, not necessarily pen. Digital sum might help here. A man buys, one more question, 2 tables for rupees 860. He sells, another competitive exam original question, he sells at the rate of 5% profit and the other one at the rate of 10% profit. Selling price of both the articles are same. Cost price is how much? Original question 440 and 420, 300 and 560. See here, a man buys 2 articles for rupees 860. How students will solve it is, CP1 plus CP2 is nothing but 860, buys 2 articles for rupees 860, he sells 5% profit. So it is 1.05 into CP1, it is nothing but 10% profit. 1.10 into CP2, so CP1 by CP2 is nothing but 110 by 105. 522s are 521s are. Cost price should be there in the ratio 22:21. 10 seconds problem. Again the answer is 440:420. 222s are 221s are. Such an easy question. If you know the logic. CP1 plus CP2 is 860, sells a 5% profit, So 1.05 into CP1, because selling price is cost price into 1 plus profit percentage, 5%, 1 plus 5% is 1.05. 1.05 into CP1 is 1.10 into CP2. So CP1 by CP2 will be 22:21. So only one option is 22:21. Finish. Second one, think without ink approach. Think without ink approach. Third question, please write down. Few questions that were pending. We will discuss. Third one, please write down the third question. These are all very, very easy questions. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer. Sum of three variables is a plus b plus c is 1250. A plus b plus c is 1250. A is 2 by 9 of b. A is 2 by 9 of b. And c is 3 by 4 of a. 3 by 4 of a. Find ABC values. Find ABC values. Find ABC values. Options 200, 800, 250. 200, 800, 250. Second one, 200, 900, 150. Third one, 150, 800, 300. Original competitive exam question, 200, 900, 100. A plus B plus C is 1250. A is 2/9 of B. C is 3/4 of B. Suppose if you see A is 2/9 of B. So 2/9 of B. B should be a multiple of 9. A will be 2 by 9 of 900, which is nothing but 200. C is 3/4 of 150. 3/4 of 150. 3/4 of 200 is 150. 200, 900, 150. This cannot be the answer. Sum should be 1250. Sum should be 1250. Very easy question, sir. Play by using answer option. Use answer options. Use answer options. First is very easy question. Second is little tough questions. Fourth question, another original CLAT question. 18 years ago. 18 years ago. 18 years ago. A is to B AGs. A is to B AGs. 8 is to 13. Their present ages. Their present ages. Ages ratio is 5:7. Lot of students use the equation method. Stupid methods, don't use it. Right? Use your mind. Use common sense. Use answer options. Use logic. Use concepts. You will get the answers very fast. Logic will always defeat formula. Formula is derived from the logic. Logic is never derived from the formula. You know it very well. 60, 50, 70 and 40. 60, 70, 50, 70 and 40. 60, 50, 70 and 40. Again, if you get any question on ages, the maximum time a question will take on ages is maximum 30 seconds. This question, within 10 seconds you can solve it if you are little smart enough. The present ages ratio is 5:7. 18 years ago. 18 years ago, AC age will become 8. So 18 years ago, the ratio of A is to B is 8:13. A should be a multiple of 8. If I take the answer 60, 5 12s are 60. It is 60. 18 years ago, 60 minus 18 is 42. 42 is not a multiple of 8. Delete it. If I take 50, 50, 5:7. 5:7 is becoming 50. 50 means 5 tens are 50. 50:17. 18 years ago. 18 years ago it will become 32:52. So 4 8s are 4 13s are. Answer 50. How much time it takes, sir, to solve this question? such an easy question. If I take 50, 5 tens are 50, write 50 18 years ago is 32. You don't need to check 32 is a multiple of 8. If there are more than one options, then check it out. If it is 70, 5 14s are 70, 18 years ago will become 52. 52 is not a multiple of 18. Tanveer, for you. Yes, present age. If I take 50, Tanveer, 5 is becoming 50, 5 are 50. Current age is 50. 18 years ago, if today's age is 20, 4 years ago it will be 16, Kartika. So 50, 18 years ago it will become 50 minus 18. 50 minus 18 it will become 32. 32 is divisible by 8. So answer is 50. I hope it is clear. Very, very easy way to solve if you are little smart enough to solve these questions. If you know little bit of logic, these all questions are very, very easy. These all questions are very, very easy. I hope it is clear, right? One more questions we will solve. One more questions we will solve. Tanveer, I hope you got it right. I hope you got it. Can I get into the next question? Can I get into the next question? Anyway, we will solve ratio, ages and others problem. Nitin, current age is 5:7. Present age is 50. 5 tens are 50. 50 18 years ago. It will become 50 minus 18 is 32. 32 is divisible by 8. A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C is 1 is to 3 is to 4. 1 is to 3 is to 4. Salaries are increased by 5%, 10% and 15% increased salary ratio. Another original competitive exam question, increased salary ratio. Options 20 is to, tell me which exam options are not provided, Ishwar. Tell me one exam. Then I will teach you in that method. Tell me one exam answers are not provided. Which exam in India does not have answer options? Why do you need to solve it without using answer option? When egg biryani, veg biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani is there in front of you, why do you need to go outside and search for a meal? 4 options are there in front of you. Make use of the answer option. The language of success in competitive exam is, what is your score? 19 is to 66 is to 92. 19 is to 66 is to 92. Anyway, all the profit or loss and discount, time, speed and distance with derived answer options in the last weekdays. Today's class we are making use of answer options. Right? Ishwar, cat contains descriptive questions. Right? It is nothing but using your smartness. Anyway, today's all the questions are not. PLD 5 hours I discussed. 5 hours I discussed PLD. Time, speed and distance 4.5 hours I discussed. In any of the session what I discussed in arithmetic in the YouTube live class, I did not made use of answer options and did not made use of answer options. Ishwar, I really don't know whether any coaching center, whatever you are being trained, they taught you properly or not. Do you know one fact that CAT is a shameless exam from year on year? From last at least 15 plus years, 60 to 75% of the questions are copied from the website artofproblemsolving.com. If your teachers are not teaching in the way it should be taught, I wish you good luck. Please write down. CAT questions come from the website artofproblemsolving.com. XAT, there is a section decision making. The questions come from lsac.org, Law School Admission Council.org. GMAT exam questions used to come from, now the website is blocked. They used to come from a website scoretop.com. If you do not know the science behind these competitive exams and people think that time or CL or IMS or Arun Sharma's book, if they solve they will get a top scores, then you have not understood the science behind the exam. Right? When I used to write a CAT examination, I used to probably, when I was the head of academics, I used to tell to my CL head office that this question came from Greece Mathematical Olympiad, Philippine Mathematical Olympiad. Right? That is the kind of research I do before I take the class. A is to B is to C. Salaries are increased by, so it is, salaries are increased by. Bank is a very, very easy question, sir. Bank is a 6th class, 7th class NCERT concept. Most of the questions are 6th, 7th and 8th. Right? This question, for your information, any student who is preparing for Staff Selection Commission, correct me if my memory is right or wrong, you can cross check in Google. This question is taken from 2008. So 5% is 1.5, it is 1.1%, it is 4 into 1.15 percentage. 4 into 1.15 percentage. 1.005 is multiple of 7. So this is out, this is out. Right. Next one. 1.15 is, it is 23 into 4 into 115 by 100. 23 multiple. Answer should be a multiple of 23. Answer should be a multiple of 23. Only one option. Answer right, one option. 21, 66, 91. Second one is a multiple of 11. Second one is a multiple of 11. First one is a multiple of 7. Third one is a multiple of 23. Third one is a multiple of 23. 21, 66, 92. 21, 66, 92. I hope the logics are pretty clear. Right? Now, before I get into the logic, another question. One student WhatsApped me. Mahesh, 5% increase is 1 is to 3 is to 4 beta. 5% increase is 1 plus 5%. 10% is 3 into 1 plus 10%. 15%. 4 into 1 plus 15%. You can calculate it later beta. Right? I think we are interested in solving the questions very, very fast. Please write down, sir. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 written 4 times. After this I will start the class. Written by 7. What is the remainder? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Divided by 7. Divided by 7. He asked me 2 questions. I will take 2 questions. 4 power 7 power 9 divided by 6. Sir, this is a mock question. It took about 8 to 10 steps by using Euler theorem to solve. What is 8 to 10 steps? It takes 5 seconds to solve the second problem. 5 seconds to solve the second problem. This you should all know this. If I divide 4 power 1 by 6, 4 by 6 is 4. If I divide 4 square by 6, 4 square divided by 6, 16 divided by 6, 6 12s are 2s are 12, remainder 4. If I divide 4 power 3 by 6, 64 divided by 6, 6 10s are 60, remainder 4. No need to do stupid formula application and everything. 4 power any natural number divided by 6. 4 power any natural number divided by 6. Remainder is 4. Please write down this concept. Second one answer is 4. 4 power any natural number divided by 6. Remainder is 4. It could be any natural number. You take any natural number. 8 to 10 steps. Goli maro. Answer is 4. Simple. 10 seconds problem if you know this approach. 10 or 5 seconds depending upon how much you practice it. But the question is whether you know all these shortcuts or not. If you do not know shortcut, you will go by the lengthy method, step by step. You will think that you are preparing very well. Actually, you are not preparing very well. The methodology in which you are solving questions is on the wrong side. Right? That is the reason you should know all these shortcuts. 4 power any natural number. 4 power any natural number divided by 6 is 4. Very, very important key point. Good teacher, good mentor, guidance is, that is where he makes the things simplify for you. He maximizes your score with less effort. 4 power any natural number divided by 6 is 4. Last problem before we discuss. Write down a note. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Please write down. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Or please write down one more point. Any non-zero singular digit, any non-zero singular digit written in groups of 6, is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any non-zero singular digit written in groups of 6 is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. First write down this, I will give a proof to you. I will also give a proof. Write down these 2 important key points. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any non-zero singular digit written in groups of 6 is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Alright? Manoj from NIT Surathkal, this is for you. Reminder 1. Proof. 10 cube divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 3. 3 cube 27. 7 fours are 28 minus 1. 10 cube divided by 7. Already we discussed 5.5 hours on reminders. 14 models I discussed. It should be there in your YouTube live class. Tanveer, you are an enrolled student. Please watch it whenever you are free. 10 cube divided by 11. Already 14 models we discussed. Euler, Fermat, Chinese remainder theorem, how to make use of answer options, negative remainder, numerator, denominator, prime, co-prime numbers. All that concepts we discussed. 11 ones are 11. Denominator is 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Remainder 1. 10 cube divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 minus 3. Minus 2 cube is minus 3 cube is minus 27. 13 minus 2s are minus 26 minus 1. 10 power 3. 10 power 3 divided by 7 is 7 ones are 7. Remainder 3. 3 cube is 27. 7 fours are 28 minus 1. 11 ones are 11. Negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. 13 ones are 13. Negative remainder minus 3. Minus 3 cube is minus 27. Minus 27. 13 minus 2s are minus 26 minus 1. Write down first problem. This is the proof. This is the proof. Proof. One student asked me this doubt. Proof. First question. Please write down. This also it will be very helpful in your reminders. 2348 divided by 7. Can I write it like this? 2 into 10 cube plus 348 divided by 7. Can I write like this? Reminder 2348. 2 into 10 cube plus 348 divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7. 10 cube divided by 7 is minus 1. So it is nothing but minus 2 plus 348 divided by 7. So this will become a remainder of 346 divided by 7. 7 fours are 28, 66. 7 nines are 63, remainder 3. 7 fours are 28, 66, 7 nines are 63, remainder 3. I hope it is clear. Start from the unit digit. Take a group of 3 digits. Alternatively do plus and minus. Simple language. Suppose if the question is 88888888 divided by 7, 5 eighths divided by 7, 5 eighths divided by 7, answer will be 5 eighths divided by 7. Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus and minus. 800 divided by 7. Now I will not teach, right? I will not teach Nitin that one. I need to complete thirds at least 10-15 questions. 7 ones are 7, 10, 7 ones are 7, 30, 7 fours are 28, 2. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Start from the unit digit, take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus minus. Alternatively plus minus. Start from the unit digit, take a group of 3 digits. Why are we taking a group of 3 digits? Because 10 power 3 divided by 7 is plus or minus 1. Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus and minus. 222 minus 222 is 0. 222 minus 222 is 0. That is the reason we wrote any single digit written in groups of 6. It is always 0. It is always 0. It is always 0. So the doubt the student has asked is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 divided by 7. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits, alternatively plus and minus. Take a group of 3 digits. Take a group of 3 digits. Plus minus, plus minus. Answer is 0. I hope the logic is clear beta. The student who asked me this doubt. Student who asked me this doubt. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. Any doubts? Any doubts in this question? Any doubts? Please side heading write down, sir. Let us not waste any time. I hope it is clear. Side heading please write down. Side heading. Right? Suraj, in case if you are preparing for CAT, your teacher should say this. Right? You can find out the divisibility rule of any prime number. You can find out the divisibility rule of any prime number by using theory of osculation. So no need to ask whether it is working for 37. You can do it for 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 43. Any prime number you can do it by using theory of osculation. Your teacher must have taught you this. If he or she has not taught you this, then right? If your teacher has not taught you this, then probably I wish you good luck, sir. Your training should be very, very systematic by nature. 2 things which I discussed it in the class, but just 2 minutes I will discuss, then I will get into surds. These I discussed in one of the classes. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. This you might have seen it in the mocks. Today we will discuss one variety. 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Right? Now what you do is, generally how students do it, solve it ulta. Solve it ulta. Solve it ulta. You will get the answer. Are you all with me? Solve it ulta, solve it ulta, solve it ulta, you will get the answer. But directly you can get the answer. Listen carefully. Step number 1. What is the denominator? Denominator fraction is, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Numerator is 1 and denominator 2. How many times plus is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing plus. 2 plus 1, 3. First time over. 3 plus 2, 5. Second time over. 5 plus 3, 8. Third time over. 8 plus 5, 13. Fourth time over. Answer is highest by second highest. Finish. 13 by 8 is the answer. 13 by 8 is the answer. Again I am explaining. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Denominator fraction is 1 by 2. Numerator 1, denominator 2. How many times plus is there? 4 times plus is there. Keep doing the repeated addition. 2 plus 1, 3. First time over. 1 plus over. Second plus over. Third plus over. Fourth plus. Highest by second highest. Finish. Highest by second highest. These are all very easy questions, sir. If you understand it, probably in the 15 to 20 minutes your aptitude paper should get over. If you know all the concepts or if you follow all the classes whatever I am teaching. Right? If you sit in an ordinary faculty's class and because you are from a good college, you just go and join because they are giving you a discounted offer, I wish you good luck. Right? Discounts are right? Good if the product of the product quality is also good. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. Listen carefully. What is the denominator fraction? 1 by 3. Numerator 1, denominator 3. Numerator 1, denominator 3. How many times addition is there? 3 times. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 addition over. Second addition over. Third addition over. Answer is 11 by 7. Finish. Finish. How come it will be 3, sir? Tapan, from where you got 3? Where you got 3? 1 by 1 plus how can it be 3, sir? Right? Next one. Next one. Sir, if there is a minus, what I am teaching in the class is very, very less. What you get in video course is so much more. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. All are minus signs. Simple. Denominator attack the fraction. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. How many times minus is there? 3 times. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. Highest by second highest. Simple. Finish. Right? Coincidentally, Tapan, maybe you are a god. You have forecasted the next one question. Right? And got the answer. Tapan God, you got the answer 3. You said 1 minute before 3. Second one answer is also 3. Are you all with me? Clear, right, sir? Clear? Side heading, write down. Fast, sir. Fast. Find the following. Find the following. Find the following. First question. Inserts and indices. There is only one method. Take the fraction, numerator by denominator if it is plus plus plus. Sir, what if the values change? What if it is already discussed in our Think Without Ink third week of class? Inserts and indices. Inserts and indices. I will. Inserts and indices. I will discuss in detail. Saturday we got a detailed 8 hours class on algebra, right? So detailed we will discuss. Today we will discuss few selected models depending upon the time. Square root of 20 plus, square root of 20 plus, square root of 20 plus, and so on equivalent to how much? What is that value? What is that value? 5, 4, 3, 3, and it is 8. Square root of 1 plus root of 20 plus root of 20 plus and so on equivalent to how much? This is a stupid question. By looking at a question itself I can say it is root of 20 plus something. That means answer is greater than root 20. Root 20 is greater than root 16. Root 20 is greater than root 16, right, Mahima? I hope you are all with me, right? Greater than root 20. Root 20 is greater than root 16. So answer should be greater than 4. So 2 options are out. You don't need to do it. This entire value is nothing but the question. So if I put the first option, root of 20 plus 5 is 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 equivalent to 5. First option is right. Whatever the second term is there, that itself is nothing but the entire question. That itself is the entire question. That itself is the entire question. I hope you are all with me. That itself is the entire question. Second question. Two things which I discussed it in the class, but just 2 minutes I will discuss, then I will get into certs. These I discussed in one of the classes. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. This you might have seen it in the mocks. Today we will discuss one variety. 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Right? Now what you do is, generally how students do it, solve it ulta. Solve it ulta. Solve it ulta. You will get the answer. Are you all with me? Solve it ulta, solve it ulta, solve it ulta, you will get the answer. But directly you can get the answer. Listen carefully. Step number 1. What is the denominator? Denominator fraction is, numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Numerator is 1 and denominator 2. How many times plus is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on doing plus. 2 plus 1, 3. First time over. 3 plus 2, 5. Second time over. 5 plus 3, 8. Third time over. 8 plus 5, 13. Fourth time over. Answer is highest by second highest. Finish. 13 by 8 is the answer. 13 by 8 is the answer. Again I am explaining. Again I am explaining. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Denominator fraction is 1 by 2. Numerator 1, denominator 2. How many times plus is there? 4 times plus is there. Keep doing the repeated addition. 2 plus 1, 3. First time over. 1 plus over. Second plus over. Third plus over. Fourth plus. Highest by second highest. Finish. Highest by second highest. These are all very easy questions, sir. If you understand it, probably in the 15 to 20 minutes your aptitude paper should get over. If you know all the concepts or if you follow all the classes whatever I am teaching. Right? If you sit in an ordinary faculty's class and because you are from a good college, you just go and join because they are giving you a discounted offer, I wish you good luck. Right? Discounts are right? Good. The product of the product quality is also good. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. Listen carefully. What is the denominator fraction? 1 by 3. Numerator 1, denominator 3. Numerator 1, denominator 3. How many times addition is there? 3 times. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 addition over. Second addition over. Third addition over. Answer is 11 by 7. Finish. Finish. How come it will be 3, sir? Tapan, from where you got 3? Where you got 3? 1 by 1 plus how can it be 3, sir? Right? Next one. Next one. Sir, if there is a minus, what I am teaching in the class is very, very less. What you get in video course is so much more. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. All are minus signs. Simple. Denominator attack the fraction. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. How many times minus is there? 3 times. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. Highest by second highest. Simple. Finish. Right? Coincidentally, Tapan, maybe you are a guard. You have forecasted the next one question. Right? And got the answer. Tapan guard, you got the answer 3. You said 1 minute before 3. Second one answer is also 3. Are you all with me? Clear, right, sir? Clear? Side heading, write down. Fast, sir. Fast. Find the following. Find the following. Find the following. First question. Inserts and indices. There is only one method. Take the fraction, numerator by denominator, if it is plus plus plus. Sir, what if the values change? What if it is already discussed in our Think Without Ink third week of class? Inserts and indices. Inserts and indices. I will. Inserts and indices. I will discuss in detail. Saturday we got a detailed 8 hours class on algebra, right? So detailed we will discuss. Today we will discuss few selected models depending upon the time. Square root of 20 plus, square root of 20 plus, square root of 20 plus, and so on, equivalent to how much? What is that value? What is that value? 5, 4, 3, 3, and it is 8. Square root of 1 plus root of 20 plus root of 20 plus and so on, equivalent to how much? This is a stupid question. By looking at a question itself, I can say it is root of 20 plus something. That means answer is greater than root 20. Root 20 is greater than root 16. Root 20 is greater than root 16. Right, Mahima? I hope you are all with me. Right? Greater than root 20. Root 20 is greater than root 16. So answer should be greater than 4. So two options are out. You don't need to do it. This entire value is nothing but the question. So if I put the first option, root of 20 plus 5 is 5. Root 25 is 5. 5 equivalent to 5. First option is right. Whatever the second term is there, that itself is nothing but the entire question. That itself is the entire question. I hope you are all with me. That itself is the entire question. Second question, square root of 72 plus, square root of 72 plus and so on. Options 8, 9, 12, 18. 8, 9, 12, 18. 8, 9, 12, 18. Simple. 8, 9, 12, 18. 8, 9, 12, 18. After this problem, we will take a 2 minutes break. I will go for a glass of water. Then I will give you a question. You try to solve it. Then I will come back, sir. So it is simple. Square root of this entire value is equivalent to the question. Square root of 72 plus 9 equivalent to 9. Root 81 equivalent to 9. 9 equivalent to 9. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. Right? I will solve one more question, then we will go for a break. Answer is 9. Right? Answer is 9. Next one, third question. Listen carefully. M is nothing but root of, again it is an original competitive exam question. Root of 5 plus, root of 5 plus, root of 5 plus, n equivalent to root of 5 minus root of 5 minus root of 5 minus. This is an original question, sir. Original competitive exam question. M plus n minus 1 is 0. M minus n minus 1 is 0. M minus n plus 1 is 0. D. M plus n plus 1 is 0. M plus, after this question we will go for a small break for 2 minutes. I will give you questions to solve. You keep solving. I will just be back in 1 or 2 minutes. M is root of 5 plus, root of 5 plus, n equivalent to root of 5 minus, root of 5 minus. If I am solving this question, can I definitely say that under root anything is a positive value? So m is a positive value. And root of 5 plus, so m will be greater than root 5. M will be greater than root 5. It is also an entire under root value. That means n will be a positive value. Root of 5 minus, root of 5 minus is n is less than root 5. N is less than root 5. What is option D? Stupid answer. M plus n equivalent to minus 1. M is positive, n is positive. Positive plus positive, how can it give you? How can it give you negative? I hope it is clear. Next one. M plus 1 equivalent to n. M plus 1 equivalent to n. The equation says n is less than root 5, m is greater than root 5. That means m is greater than n. M is greater than n. M is greater than n. If m is greater than n, how can n will be m plus 1? This is out. First one, m plus n equivalent to 1. M plus n equivalent to 1. M plus n equivalent to 1. So how much it will be? M itself is greater than root 5. Greater than root 5 means m itself is greater than 2. Greater than 2 plus positive, how can it be 1? Answer is m minus n minus 1 is 0. How easy is to solve? I don't know, in lot of online test, online coaching centers, they discuss something which is very stupid. M plus n equivalent to 1. M plus n equivalent to 1 is not possible because m will be greater than 2. Third one, m plus 1 equivalent to n. It is not possible because n is less than m. Fourth one, m and n both are positive. Sum of two positive, it cannot be negative. Now, I'll give you two questions, 2 minutes time. Find the value of k. See, the mistake what you are doing is 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. It is nothing but the sum of the numerators by sum of the denominators. It is nothing but 6 by 12, which is 1 by 2. It is also nothing but sum of the squares of the numerators by sum of the squares of the denominators under root. Am I right? If I take 2 square common, root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. It is also nothing but cubed root of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube. This is nothing but ratio of the sides. Sides ratio, it is nothing but equivalent to perimeter ratio. It is nothing but area ratio of square root of areas. It is nothing but square root of volumes. Please write down. There will be solution. Sides ratio is equivalent to perimeter ratio equivalent to square of area, square of volume. Volume will be there in the form of cube. Areas will be there in the form of square. I hope you are all there with me. Right. By using this approach. This is a simple ratio question, sir. It is an original CAT question for your information. Original CAT question. Now see, listen carefully. Carefully, right? Unless you get good scores, you know all the concepts, getting into top business schools is only a dream, right? I think you have to, what is very important in the competitive exam success is focus, continuous effort and absolute understanding of the concepts. 99% of the people who are successful in competitive exams are people who understands the importance of concepts. Equivalent to k. So if I do this, equivalent to sum of the numerators 2 into a plus b plus c divided by a plus b plus c. I will cancel it out only when a plus b plus c is not equivalent to 0. If a plus b plus c equivalent to 0, a plus b is minus c. So this will give an answer. A plus b by c is minus 1. Answer is minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. The sad part is, I did not see any comments where people are saying answer is minus 1. Ankita, a plus b plus c equivalent to b plus a by c equivalent to. If I add sum of the numerators, it is 2 into a plus b plus c by c plus a plus b plus c, b plus, this question is b plus c by a. So if I cancel it out, I will cancel it out. There is cancel it out. If I cancel it out, a plus b plus c should be not equivalent to 0. This is a symmetric function. A is replaced with b, b is replaced with c. B is replaced with c, c is replaced with a. C is replaced with a is replaced by b. I hope it is clear. Model 1. Model 1. Suppose if I see 2 plus root 3 whole square. 2 plus root 3 whole square is 2 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into 2 into root 3. 2 into 2 into root 3. Now if you see, this is nothing but 7 plus 4 root 3. So it is nothing but 7 plus 2 into 2 root 3. So it is nothing but a into b, and it is nothing but a square plus b square. First write down if it is a plus b whole square. First write down this value. If the question is of the form p plus 2 root q, right? This is nothing but a into b, and this is nothing but a square plus b square. This is nothing but a square plus b square. 2 plus root 3 whole square is 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into root 3. So 7 plus 2 into 2 root 3. So this is a into b, and it is a square. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to these questions. Listen carefully. Suppose if the first question is 4 plus 2 root 3. 4 plus 2 root 3 under root equivalent to how much? First factorize the number. 3 is nothing but 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is root 3 plus root 1. Answer is root 3 plus root 1. Factorize this number. Factorize this number. It is nothing but root 3 into 1. So 4 is nothing but a square plus b square. So root 3 whole square plus 1 square is 3 plus 1 is 4. Factorize that number into a into b, and this should give you a square plus b square. This should give you a square plus b square. Second question. Root of 13 minus 4 root 3. Root of 13 minus 4 root 3. So this is nothing but root of 13 minus 2. 2 if it goes inside, it is 12. 13 minus 2 into root 12. So if I take these factors as root 12 into root 1, root 12 whole square is 12, root 1 whole square is 1. So answer is root 12 minus 1. Root 12 minus 1. Take the factors of this number. Take the factors of this number. A square plus b square should give you this question. A square plus b square should give you this question. 4 plus 2 root 3. 4 plus 2 root 3. So it is root 3 factors are root 3 into 1. A square plus b square. Root 3 square is 3. Root 1 square is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Ishwar, one more question, I will solve it for you. Root of 7 plus 4 root 3. Root of 7 plus 4 root 3. So it is nothing but root of 7 plus. It should be of the form 2ab. 2 if it goes inside, it will become 12. What are the factors of 12 such that it will become 7? It is root 4 into root 3. Because root 4 whole square plus root 3 whole square. 4 plus 3 is 7. So answer for this question is 2 plus root 3. Answer for this question is 2 plus root 3. I hope it is clear. 2 plus root 3. Ishwar, I hope it is clear. Let us solve one more questions, few more questions. Third one. Fourth one. Root of 76 plus 10 root 3. Root of 76 plus 10 root 3. So this is nothing but 76 plus 2 into 5 into root 3. 5 if it goes inside, it will become 25. 25 3s are 75. 75. So these is nothing but factors are root 75 into root 1. Because if I square it, 75 square 75 and 1 square. Answer is root 75 plus 1. All are very easy questions. 5 root 3 plus 1. 5 root 3 plus 1. 5 root 3 plus 1. I hope you are all there with me. Very, very easy questions. Very, very easy questions. Very, very easy questions. Few more original exam questions. Fifth one. Square root of 33 minus 4 root 35. 33 minus 4 root 35. it is 33 minus 2. If it goes inside, it is 140. It is 140. Try to find out the root of this is 1 into 140, not possible. 2 into 70, not possible. 4 into 35, not possible. 5 into 28, possible. So it is nothing but root 28 into root 5. 28 plus 5. Answer is root 28 minus root 5. If there is a minus, write down there. Write root 28. Whenever you are writing it as root A minus root B, ensure that root A is greater than root B. Ensure that it is root A is greater than root B. Right? Ishwar, 2 root 3. Root 3 is 1.7. 2 into 1.7 is 3.4. 1 minus 3.4 I will get negative. 1 minus 3.4 I will get negative. Fifth one. Sixth question. Sixth question. Sixth one. Root of 139 minus 80 root 3. Root of 139 minus 80 root 3. So it is 139 minus 2 into 40 root 3. 40 root 3. So 40 root 3 I can write it as 8 into 5 root 3. Can I write it? Yes. 8 square is 64. 5 root 3 whole square is 25 into 3, 75. 65 plus 75 is 139. So answer is 5 root 3 minus 8. 5 root 3 minus 8. First should be greater than last. 5 root 3 minus 8. Where did I get minus 5? Eighth one. Square root of 38 plus 5 root 3. 38 plus 5 root 3. So make it into 2ab. Multiply and divide by 2. 2 into 38 plus 5 root 3 by 2. So it is root of 76 plus 10 root 3 by root 2. So 10 is nothing but 76 plus 2 into 5 root 3 divided by root 2. 5 root 3 factors are 5 root 3 into 1. Let us check what are all the things that we will get. 5 root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square, which is 76. Yes. So answer is 5 root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2. If the question is not of the form 2ab, make it into 2ab. Make it into 2ab. Root of 76 plus 10 root 3. 76 plus 2 into 5 root 3. 5 root 3 factors are 5 root 3 into 1. So 5 root 3 square plus 1 square. Answer is 76. Ninth question. Ninth one. Root of 26 plus 15 root 3. 26 plus 15 root 3. It is not of the form 2ab. Multiply and divide by 2. 2 into 26 plus 15 root 3 divided by root 2. So this will become root of 52 plus 30 root 3 divided by root 2. So it is root of 52 plus 2 into 15 root 3 divided by root 2. So these factors are, so how much it will be? 5 into, can I take 5 into root 3? What are all the factors that I will get? 15 root 3. What are all the factors I will get? 1 into 15 root 3. Not possible. 5 into 3 root 3. 25 plus. Not possible. 3 into 5 root 3. Not possible. I hope it is clear. Multiply and divide by 2. If I divide by 2, root of 2 into 26 plus 15 root 3 by 2. 52 plus 30 root 3 by 2. 30 root 3 will be root of 52 plus 2 into 15 root 3. 15 root 3 is root of 775. What are the factors of 775 such that I will get 52? Let us take 1 into 775. Not possible. 5 into 5. 15s are 75. 155. Not possible. 5 into 5 into 31. 25 plus 31. 56. Not possible. Take the factors in such a way that a into b is 15 root 3 and a square plus b square is 52. Please take the factors. If you are getting it, take the factors and write the answer as root a plus root b. Right? Root a plus root b. I hope the concept is clear, right, sir? Concept is clear? Any doubts? Prashant, you want me to discuss another question? I will discuss another question. Root of, please write down. Root of 2 plus root 3, approximate value. I hope I wrote the logic. I hope you can take care. These multiply and divide by 2. So 2 into 2 plus root 3 by 2. So this will be root of 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. This is nothing but root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2. I hope the answer is clear. I hope the answer is clear, right, sir? Root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Right? Try to take the factors in such a way that root 3 is nothing but root 3 into 1. Root 3 square plus 1 square. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Idea clear, right? Next, model 2. Model 2. These questions are coming very frequently in CLAT and other exams. X is 106. X is 106. X into x square minus 3x plus 3. X into x square minus 3x plus 3. So this is nothing but x cube minus 3x square plus 3x. Add 1 and subtract 1. So it is x minus 1 whole cube minus 1. So answer is, it is 105 whole cube minus 1. 105 whole cube minus 1. Right? X into x square minus 3x plus 3, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x, add 1 and subtract 1. So this is nothing but x minus 1 whole cube minus 1. X is 106. 106 minus 1, 105 whole cube minus 1. How to find out 105 cube? Please write down. How to find the cube of a number? These I discussed in speed maths because the context has arisen. I am explaining again how to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. Write down the concept. First concept. B plus x whole cube is b plus x whole cube is b plus 3x and 3x square and x cube. B is of the form 10 power k. Last two places has k digits. Last two places has k digits. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube. Last two places has k digits. Last two places has k digits. First I will write down the note at the top, then I will do 3-4 problems. It should be very clear to you. B plus x whole cube is b plus 3x, next is 3x square and next is x cube. If b is of the form 10 power k, last two places k digits. This is the concept. Let us do problems. 104 whole cube. 104 whole cube is, this is nothing but 100 plus 4 power 3. B is 100, x is 4. So this will be b plus 3x. Next is 3x square and the next is x cube. This is 112, 48, 64. 100 is 10 square. Last two places should have 2 digits. 64 is 2 digit, 48 is 2 digit. Answer is 1124864. 1124864. 100 plus 4 whole cube, b plus 3x, 3x square and x cube. 4 cube 64, 48, 112. Last two places should have 2 digits. So 1124864. 1124864. Which number? What is the next number? 104 whole cube. Next, what is the number given in the question? 105 whole cube. Now directly you can say the answer if you know this concept. 100 plus 5 power 3. So this will become b plus 3x, b plus 3x. Next is 3x square and next is x cube. This is 115. This is 75. 5 cube is 125. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 25. 1 carried 76. 115. 115. Right? Directly you will get the answer if you know it. Directly you will get the answer if you know it. Now let us solve little difficult question. 1004 whole cube. Directly you will get the answer. 1004 whole cube is 1000 plus 4 power 3. So this will become b plus 3x. 1000 plus 3 into 4. Next is 3x square and next is x cube. This is 1012. 48. 10 cube is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 048 and 064. 048 and 064. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer if you know the approach. We took the numbers greater than 10 power k. We will also take the numbers less than 10 power k. Idea clear, right sir? It's all about concepts. Suppose if it is less than 10 power k, we will start with 98 cube. Muthu has asked 92 cube. We will discuss 92 cube after 98 cube. So 98 cube is nothing but 100 minus 2 power 3, b plus 3x, b plus 3x and 3x square and x cube, x cube. 100 minus 6 is 94, 4 3s are 12, minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus 2 cube is minus 8. If I cube a positive number, I will not get a negative number. I will take a carry. 1 is taken carry. 1 on a base is 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. 12 1 is taken out, remaining 11. Answer is 941192. 941192. I hope it is clear. If you cube a positive number, you will not get a negative number. 1 carried. 1 is carried on a base of 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. 12 1 is taken out, remaining 11. 941192. 92 is 100 minus 8 power 3, which is nothing but b plus 3x, b plus 3x. Next is 3x square. Next is x cube. Muthu for you, it is 76. 64 3s are 192. Minus 8 cube is minus 512. Minus 512. If I take a 1 carry, 1 is carried on a base of 100. 100 minus 512 is still negative. 200 minus 512 is still negative. 600 minus 512 88. 192 6 carried 186. 76. 88 86. 1 carried 77. Today in the 5:30 session we discussed one very important sir. Numerator by denominator into percentage. Please revise as much as possible based on this. This is the most important concept we discussed today. X into x square plus 12x plus 48. Try to solve this question. If I open the bracket, x cube plus 12x square plus 48x. This is x cube into 3 into 4 into x square. It is 3 into 4 square into x. So it will be 4 cube minus 4 cube. It is x plus 4 whole cube minus 4 cube. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right? Muthu, any doubts? Right? I hope it is very clear. Any aptitude exams that you are writing, ensure that my videos are there in your desktop. Watch as many times as possible. Hour by hour, the more and more number of hours you start listening to me, the more and more perfection you will get it. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. AMC.